Let me guess, you just picked up your brand new TV, but don't know where to hang it. This is the assembly video for the Boost Industries CM-3270M Motorized flip-down TV mount. Yes, you heard right. The CM-3270 is a motorized ceiling TV mount. This mount is ideal for a ceiling inside a dental office, above a bay window, in front of a built-in bookshelf, inside an RV, or a tour bus, overlooking an interior window wall, a modern washroom, a room with a slanted ceiling, inside an open concept family room, and much more. In this video, we'll show you exactly how easy it is to install the Boost Industries CM-3270 Motorized flip-down TV mount. Just keep in mind, you will need power to the unit.